Aloha all, Jackie here. Thanks for joining me today in creating two cards using Stampin' Up's photopolymer stamp set, heart-shaped. It's a celebration product, photopolymer see-through. Oh, and you can see all my scraps in here. We're also using the coordinating dies, heart-shaped dies. I have them out, but there's more dies in there. We're using Keeping Tabs photopolymer stamp set. We're using it for the sentiment. I wanted to make happy birthday cards. This here is Old Olive cardstock. This is just a scrap for the heart. We're gonna die cut it out. This is I think it's about 2.5 by 3. This is also a scrap about 1 inch by 2 3/4, and our card base will be Old Olive. This is cut at 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. And this here is Daffodil Delight. This is a 3 by 3 piece. And this is scrap for our sentiment. I think it's a 1/2 inch, and I don't know what that is, maybe 2 inches, 2 1/4. Here is Basic White. This is for the inside of our card. This is 4 by 5 1/4. And this here is Designer Series paper, Floral Delight, 12 by 12 Designer Series paper pack. Love it, you guys. The yellow, so springy, the colors, yeah. Did you guys get to see them all? Did I skip some? This here is a scrap, of course. It's 1/2 inch by 4 from when I cut this piece of paper here. And these are cut both at 4 by 5 1/4, same as the Basic White. It's for layering. We'll go ahead and burnish the base of our card here. Yeah, 2 cards. We made this in our last card workshop that we had. Then we can go ahead and get stamping. And I am gonna stamp here the heart shape with this. And I'm just going, it's a square, so I'm just going in the middle. Trying to center as best as I can. We just want it in the back of our heart die cut when we cut that out. Just like that. And I'm just gonna put it like this here. Just as it coming in, because I'm gonna be putting the strip at the bottom. That's it for our yellow, or Daffodil Delight. Then let's take Moody Mauve. I'm using Moody Mauve. Fits perfect right there on the 1/2 inch, yeah? Just trying to center them. Perfect, looks good, awesome. And this here, I'm just gonna go like this with that. Just like that. And oh, let me bring in the envelopes. I wanted to do it on the envelope too. I forgot to ask my ladies at the card workshop if they did anything on their envelopes. I like this Moody Mauve. So cute. Let me just do one here on the side. Just the envelope. Just a little decoration. Okay, and then I think we're ready to die cut. Let me move this over here. And let me bring out my die cut machine. It usually isn't that hard. I gotta make sure that I'm not in anything. Or on anything. Not in, but on anything. Okay, and then I'm just gonna use my take your pick tool just to poke this out. Just like that. But this comes out fairly easy. Just like that. Okay, I'm not gonna make you watch me do all these flowers, but I need 3 flowers per card. Okay guys, I guess we got everything that we need. I was looking for that one piece, and so we can glue everything together. Let me get the glue. It was stuck over there. And then let's do our inside. Look at that side. That side is cute. Just for the bottom over here. All the way down. Sometimes I like to leave just a tiny white space there. But since I have the stamp on that side, I want to go all the way down. Pushing it down. The glue gives us a little wiggle room time where we can bring it as far down as we need to. Okay, this goes on the inside. Center as best as we can. Okay, this goes on the top, or I should say on the front. See, isn't that side so nice? Beautiful, beautiful. Paper, designer series paper, beautiful prints. Center right on top as best as we can. Okay, and then I'm grabbing my silicone mat here. So I'm going to put this on top of them. Just a tiny dab of glue all over. Not even pressing very hard. Just letting the tip like barely touch it. Barely touch the die cut. I like this one. And you can see even that tiny bit of glue is a lot. You can see some of the glue sticking out. You see them? I got glue on my fingers. Just like that. Ah, that stuck to my finger. Some jump up. It's okay, just push them back down. You can tell I get glue on my table over here already. Getting my paper snips, you guys. Want to go ahead and cut this. Slight angle. Then I'm going to grab my dimensionals. Put 2 on there. And then I'll go ahead and center these on the front of my card. Or more towards the top. Top and center. Then I'll put this on it. Right about here. And then last we'll add the flowers. Right about there. Flowers, gonna add the flowers with glue. Just a little bit. Hey, stuck to my finger. Yeah, I have glue on this side. It's the side I was holding the hearts. Move your card around if you need to. Yeah, so you can stuck them inside or underneath, wherever, yeah. And then, you guys, I am grabbing some rhinestones. We have to use them up. Ugh. Okay, glue on top of my rhinestones. Push them down so they hold. Get them in the middle there. That one was a little off, yeah. Can I push it over? And there we have it, guys. What do you think? You like that? Let me know in the comments below. You can see that my heart that I stamped with the Daffodil Delight ink is not really right under the die cut, but it's still okay. It still looks good, you know, with it in the back of the die cut. I love it. Thanks again for joining me today. To order Stampin' Up! Products, please visit my online store. The website is linked in the description of this video. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. Come back again soon.